sterilization room is the place to pack and sterilize the clean instruments. The instruments are packed firstly by a sealing machine. Then put them into the autoclave for sterilization. In order to monitor the sterilization effectiveness, it is recommended to put a PCD together. After cycle finished, if the sterilization is effective, the test strip and PCD will turn black from yellow. In sterilization process, the traceable data will be printed and stick on each package. Finally, the sterilized instruments are delivered to aseptic room through the double-channel cabinet. Aseptic room is the area to take out and dispense the sterilized instruments. YESON, committed to creating efficient disinfection space for users.